Hello everyone, welcome. This is Ravi Telugu. I am from Vedanta Educational Academy. We are an authorized assessment center with the Tally Education Private Limited to conduct and issue Tally official certifications. We offer following digital and verifiable certifications, and they are Tally Education Certificate Level 1, Level 2, Level 3, Tally Comprehensive, GST using Tally, and Tally Professional. Professional certification that offer endless opportunities. What are the benefits of Tally certifications? The first thing is that Tally certifications is an industry preferred certificate. The Tally certifications are digital and verifiable. From the day of your registration, you will get an access to Tally job portal, and that is for a lifetime. We provide assistance in securing a job. You will also get an access to respective e-content, e-book and mock test and many more. The in-demand Tally certifications hone your skill, increase your chances of better job prospects, higher pay and multiple career opportunities. Online assessment, and you can take this test by sitting anywhere in the world. And how to enroll for these certifications? Choose the right certification that suits you and fill the registration form and make the payment to submit it, and we will receive it. We will validate it and register you on Tally Education portal. Once the registration is completed, you will be receiving a confirmation via mail and SMS. And with that login credentials, you can log into Tally Education official portal to enjoy the benefits. How to appear for test? It is not mandatory to take the test immediately after the registration. You can take time to prepare accordingly. First, you need to go through with some mock test so that you will understand the process of the test. Once you are ready to give your final test, you need to update the date with us so that we will schedule the test to you. You can appear in the test by sitting anywhere in the world, just you require a laptop or PC with a webcam. And after appearing the test, how the certificate will be issued. Once the test is completed successfully, we will mail the certificate and you can verify that certificate number in Tally Education portal. Get certified, get recognized, get employed. Thank you.